welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you a Chuu fansite scenes greeting from, I think, Locomotion. She's pretty famous, I guess, for all her fan cams. Her or him. I think there are two people running it, I'm not so sure. But yeah, I held a group order and I got it because it's Chuu and it came with a lot of stuff. So let's get into it. So yeah, first off, okay, I'm going to show you this first. But here's the bag, has a picture of Chuu, means I will never throw it away. Perfect. And here is a A3 poster of Chuu, so it's slanted. Yeah, posters will get a bit bent. That's posters, yeah. And here are the gifts, like the calendar and a lot of the many gifts. So we have a stack of post-it notes. I think this was an extra add-on. We have a DVD. Here is the front. Yep. And postcards. Oh, the bags are so cute. And yeah, okay, the postcards are a bit thin, but it's okay. We have a picture of Eve and Chuu. Oh, Chuu posted. Oops. Then we have you, Chuu, and then oh. So yeah, the bags is pink, and then yellow. What is it? Does it say for Chuu? Just for Chuu? Not so sure. I can't read. Yeah, but the postcards are a bit thin. Alright. And then we have this. Let's get into it. Honestly, I'll admit I don't like fansites who staple the stuff, but recently all fansites have been doing this. So, can't really say anything, right? But yeah, here's the front. This is Chuu, LikeYouLoveYou, and says Locomotion 2019 series greeting. And here we have photo strips, transparent photo strips. So here's the first one. Here's the second one. Then we have full cut sets and transparent full cut. Ouch. So here's the thing again. Okay, first off, I'll show you the stuff. So here is a DVD card using a QR code because not everyone has a DVD player, but you can't really share it around. That's the only thing. Not that I really want to share it around. So yeah, here is the full cut set. So we have this picture, this horizontal one, and this one. The bags are messages from Chuu. Oh, I can't read her handwriting though. But yeah, here are the bags. They're all the same. Yeah, and the pink. Can't read. I just can't read handwriting. I'm so tired anyways. Last pack. We have two transparent full cuts. This is the yellow one. This is the pink one. Locomotion, you win. So we have sticker sets that I can't take out. So yeah, here's a picture that says Chuu. I think it's the same one from the cover. Actually, you can move this already. Then we have this fan art. Oh my gosh, this is the one where she put her face there at the SBS, I think. So here is the calendar, I guess the main thing. I think this is standard size. It says LikeYouLoveYou, LOONA Chuu, Locomotion 2019 series greeting. So I'm going to show the first side, then turn it around. So, oh, that's 2018 December. It's the last day, like me filming it right now. So I guess I can use it for 1 month. So, I mean, it's a good extra. Yeah. So we have a picture of Chuu here. You can write some stuff here. It says Christmas here, 2019. Here's a cute picture of Chuu. Then we have February. There are some like Korean holidays here. April. Can you guys see? I'm scared that you guys can see. Then for May, you can tell that this is the YYXY debut date. Yeah. Then we have July. Then this is the full group debut. Oh my gosh, look at it. Oh, hope it's focusing. It's so cute. What the heck? Then we have November. This December, and it says Christmas here too. And the back says locomotion. Yeah. Here are the pictures. Doesn't have the dates, unlike other scene creating. Normally they will have like a row of dates, but it's okay. Who looks at the date when you have Chuu? And we have the graduation with Kim Lip. Oh. I thought this was beer, oh my gosh. I hope I didn't miss anything. But I think this was a solo fan sign. I think this was the Chuu one. Is it? I think so. It looks like it, but yeah. So this is it for today's unboxing. Too lazy to bring the rest out, but yeah, this is it for today's unboxing. Hope you guys enjoy and see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.